Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina-ke ngisacela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje, awukhishwa nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngiyiletha-ke ngiyifaka kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke usengaphutha izindaba ongakwenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ngabe ucindezela-ke ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulithe lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana-ke lithe ilungu elikhulu-ke laphana-ke lu-MK-ke elaqhamuka laphana-ke kwi-EFF-ke laphana-ke uFloyd Shivambu-ke ubengena-ke ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana-ke laphana-ke etshela-ke abantu-ke ngomhlangano-ke omkhulu-ke ababe nawo-ke beyiqembu laphana-ke umkhonto-ke wesizwe-ke. Ube sengena lapha ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana-ke wafaka iy'thombe-ke ebey'shuthwe kuyo-ke leyo mithingi-ke wabe-ke eseyibhala-ke wathi-ke mangifundela-ke akubhalile ethi-ke today we had a very fruitful and forward-looking meeting with all the leadership structures of Umkhonto Wesizwe Party in Gauteng Province. We are building a formidable force whose aim is to political movement that seeks to unite all the anti-colonial, anti-apartheid and anti-imperialistic progressive forces to continue and to complete the unfinished fight for total liberation and freedom. Umkhonto Wesizwe Party exists to realize total liberation and freedom from political, economic, social, spatial, cultural and knowledge, ideological apartheid and all other forms of oppression and exclusion. Lena-ke bekubhale yena-ke laphana-ke uFloyd Shivambu-ke laphana-ke etshela abantu-ke ngomhlangano-ke abe nawo-ke laphana-ke eGauteng. Njengoba sonke sazi ukuthi-ke i-MK laphana-ke ibeke yena-ke laphana-ke eGauteng ukuthi-ke kube nguye-ke odila-ke nezinto-ke zangakhona-ke abeke umphathi-ke laphana kulide-ke i-MK yalapha-ke eGauteng. Mina ngizocela lapha singena ama-comment section-ke futhi ubhale uvo lwakho ukuthi wena-ke ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke bese uyangixhasa-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubiza imali, kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje ngizobe ngiyifaka kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje.